welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you currently know, we are taking a look at how to use pandas library for data manipulation and data analysis related stuff. The very important thing when we say we wanted to use pandas is reading different types of files, like let it be CSVs or any other kind of file. So in this tutorial, I'll try to demo that how to read a basic simple file using pandas library. Okay, so for that, let me show you the input file. So I have already created this customer .csv file, and it has a very typical kind of a data where we have ID, customer ID, first name and city, and I have just inserted four records into it. So having said that, let's try to write the program to read the CSV file using pandas. Okay, so as you know, it's a pandas, so import pandas as pd. Yeah, then let's say customer df is equal to pd dot. So it has this read CSV method that is being given, and as you can see this list, there are lots of uh, methods for reading various types of data. If you wanted to read something using a file, Excel file, HTML file, JSON file, Parquet file, everything is almost all types of file are being given here, right? So currently I'll just keep it limited with the CSV, but in the subsequent videos I'll show you how to read the pandas files and rest of other important file formats. But let's give the first parameter that it needs is name of the file, full path of that particular file which you want to read. So currently I wanted to read customer.csv, so customer.csv, and that's it. This is how you read the file using pandas. I'll just print it. Okay, and let's try to run it. Let me show you the file one more time. It is ID, first name and city, and then 4 records. These are delimited by a pipe symbol. So I have not mentioned anything in terms of delimiter, and let's see what it outputs here. So if you see, it had just read all the content of the file and treated it as one single column, because we have not specified the delimiter here. Because in general case, when we see a CSV file, the default delimiter that any CSV has is always a comma, and that's what pandas will also treat a default delimiter. Like if you don't pass any delimiter, then it will treat comma as a default delimiter. But if you wanted to mention that this particular file is being delimited by some different character or different symbol or some different delimiter than comma, then we will have to explicitly mention that with this delimiter is equal to flag, right? So this particular file was delimited using the pipe symbol, so I'm just giving here delimiter is equal to pipe, and now let's run it and see the output. Okay, now as you can see, it has delimited this particular, or the way it has read the CSV file is by using the pipe as a delimiter, and that's the reason it has this ID as a separate column, first name as a separate column, and city as a separate column. Okay, so this is how you read the CSV file and convert it into the pandas data frame. Okay, I hope this is useful for you. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.